Hello everyone, I am Akshita Sharma. Today I am here to give you a brief description about my seminar topic, that is haptic technology. Here is content which includes introduction, history of haptics, working of haptic technology, its types, haptic virtual device, principle of haptic interface, its advantages and disadvantages, future vision, and conclusion. So, what is haptic technology? It is the technology of adding the sensation of touch and feeling. When virtual objects are touched, they seem real and tangible. By using this, you feel as well as see your interactions with images. Now here the history of haptics. Haptic is a word which derived from the Greek word haptikos. In the early 1990s, a new usage of word haptics began to emerge. Scientists used that term haptics to label the subfield of their studies that addressed human touch, based perception, and manipulation. Now here is working of haptic technology. A typical haptic technology system is an assembly of several subblocks, namely touchscreen device with capacitive buttons, processor, drive circuit, and actuator. The input of the haptic technology system may be touch. A press on a capacitive buttons on the touch screen. This serves as an input or the triggered signal which is sent to the touchscreen controller. The sensors in the device sense the change in the amount of force applied, change in the angle of the input, and sends the information to the processor. The information is further processed, generate a waveform which could be either analog or digital, which circuit and specific instructions are given to actuator to generate a pattern that creates a vibration. This feedback from an actuator which is given back to the touchscreen device acts as a force feedback. The user thus feels this force feedback virtually. Now here is types of haptics. First one is phantom. It provides 3D touch to the virtual objects and also provides 6 degrees of freedom. When the user moves his finger, then he could really feel the shape and size of the virtual 3D object that has been already programmed. It also provides the space in which the phantom operates, and that space is known as haptic scene. Here you can see the picture of phantom. Next one is cybergrabs. The cybergrab system fit over the user's entire hand like an exoskeleton and add resistive force feedback to each finger. It also allows 4 degrees of freedom for each finger, and it can easily adapt it to different size of fingers and is located on the back of the hand. Here you can see grabs is located on the back of the hand, and it can easily fit it to the fingers of human. Haptic virtual device. So what is haptic virtual device? It allows user to touch, feel and manipulate 3D objects in virtual environment. Now, principles of haptic interface. Interaction occurs at an interaction tool that mechanically couple two control dynamically system, and those systems are haptic interface with the computer and human user with the central nervous system. Here are some advantages. Work time is reduced here. Digitally, word can be experienced and perceived, easily accessible and user-friendly. Accuracy and precision is high. Medical field simulators allow would-be surgeons to practice digitally. Disadvantages: large weight and size of haptic devices, especially wearable ones. Here you can see Phantom, which is a very large device, and its also weight is too high, by which the person sometimes feel too congested. Haptic device position sensors have finite resolution. Haptic applications require highly specialized debugging issue and high cost involved. Yes, of course, haptic technology devices are very expensive. So here is what is feature vision of haptic technology. It includes holographic interaction. The feedback allows the user to interact with the hologram and usually receive the tactile response using acoustic radiation pressure. Its medical application. Use of central workstation from which surgeon would perform operation in various locations, with machine setup and patient preparation performed by local nursing staff. So now there is a conclusion of haptic technology. We finally conclude that haptic technology is the only solution which provides high range of interaction that cannot be provided by BMI or virtual reality. Whatever the technology we can employ, touch access to is important till now, but haptic technology has totally changed his trend. Thank you.